just K1 here. How y'all doing out there? We're getting a lot of storms lately. I just want to jump on here and do a little craft project with you. I'm all for DIY. I like DIY projects. I am having a event next year, and I prefer to either try to make some of the things for the decor as opposed to buying them already done or buying them, you know, paying a whole lot of money for them. I would like to try, like I did the bouquet of flowers that you all saw back when I was at the Michael store. Now I'm going to try the project where they're using the noodles. So we're going to do that today. If I decide to do the noodles, I will go with the noodles and get all the stuff to make the noodles for the tables, or we will go back to making the vases, the flower vases with the bouquet. Like I said, this is for an event for next year, so I'm getting it all out now. And I'm only doing one because I don't want to buy a whole lot of stuff and be out of money and throw it to the side and whatever. So how y'all doing? My name is Kay. Welcome to my channel. Please comment, like, and subscribe below. I love DIY, and I am a DIYer. I like home projects and all that stuff, but I really love decor. I think I mentioned that before to you. And I'm holding the damn tripod thing, y'all, because I don't know if this mic is working or not. I guess we'll find out when this is all done. I charged it up. I put it on here. Whatever. So we're going to get into this noodle. Got all the stuff. I'll show you all the supplies. And let's go. Okay, so in the picture, and I got all this information off TikTok and Pinterest, they're using a noodle. I bought a black one, I bought two of them. We're gonna do one. This should fit a regular size table of 8 people, 4 on each side. So I got this from Dollar Tree. I think this was $1.25. As you see, it's marked $1.25. You know, Dollar Tree. And I heard Dollar Tree going up to $2, y'all. So this is the noodle. I bought 2 of them just so if this goes well, we can continue on. Got 2 noodles. They come in different colors. They come in black, white. I mean, I've seen pink, turquoise, all that stuff. So next we have, this is following, like I said, a design I've seen on Pinterest and TikTok. Saw it on Pinterest first. So these are the ties. I got a pack of ties. This was 60 ties for $1.25 at the Dollar Tree. These are the ties to tie the noodle together. So, like I said, those 2 noodles are gonna make one, y'all. Not one noodle making one. Okay, so then I got, I went to Michael's, and Michael's had a sale. Y'all know Michael's always got sales going. And if you go to Michael's a lot, like I go there to buy picture frames, faux flowers, silk flowers, different type of decor, they started sending you coupons. So this is the greenery I got. This is the greenery. This was on sale a couple of weeks ago. I got this, I think. So this is the greenery. This is going to go probably at the bottom of the noodle, or down by the bottom. This is the greenery. So what I did while I was in the store, I got all of this, the garland and the flowers, for $37. So that's not bad, because the normal price of the flowers were, the normal price was $18. It chopped it down to $9.99. And it was $9.99. It chopped it down to $3. So I got 6 at $3. And the garland, the normal price was $19.99, and I got it down to $16.99. So I got a good deal. Altogether, it was $37.44, and my rewards balance is 77 cents. But $37, y'all, for that. Okay. So what I'm gonna do, because one of my friends said, "Well, how are you gonna duplicate it?" I'm going to take the tag off it and try to look it up, because even if I go back and they don't have these, I can go online and try to order them, like if I need more. So I got 6 of these. Remember, this is me winging it, y'all. I don't know what I'm doing. I got 6 of these. And they're very pretty. Like I said, these are the shades of pink. Some of these are roses. Some are... I don't know, not poinsettias. Some are roses. But anyway, this is the flowers. So we're going to get into this project, y'all. Y'all, I don't know. All right. We are back, y'all. Okay. I had to pull up the video of what I seen this put together, y'all. Like I said, this is my first time. So anyway, we're going to do the greenery first. We're going to put the greenery on the pool noodle first. That's the greenery. Here are the pool noodles right here. I got to get some scissors. Here are the two pool noodles. What I'm going to do is put the ties on the pool noodle. Going across about maybe 3, maybe one right here, one right here. So four sets going across. So that's what we're gonna do first. There's a pool noodle. I got these from Dollar Tree, like I told y'all. This is my first time doing this, so give me some grace. Okay, here's a regular pool noodle. I'm gonna wrap this around this. Can y'all see? Okay. So, oh, yo, don't tell me. This pool noodle don't fit. Okay, so if I do it like this. Shit. I need the longer ones, y'all. Well, what about trying to do one like this? Because I don't need the pool noodle if, I don't need this if I'm just doing one, but I need a longer one of these. I didn't get the longer ones because I didn't think I needed those. What does it say on the package? Nylon, cable ties, 8 feet by 20. So I need a longer one than this. Let me take. Hey, y'all. We are back. We are back from the store, and we got another pack of the cable ties. We got an 11-inch, and I also picked up a 20-inch just in case, y'all. You know, I'd rather be safe than sorry, because we could use these for another part. This is a 28-inch. You see how long a 20-inch is? They could be cut. So the ones I had were a 8-inch, and they were way too short. That's the 8-inch. That's the ones I had originally. Okay, so we get ready to put the noodle back over. Y'all try Dollar Tree. Okay, so here's the noodle again. So let's try the 11 first. The way the lady did on the video, she put the greenery on first. She took the greenery, and even with the zip tie, she hooked the greenery on first going across. Now, this greenery is 6 feet. So, even when I measure it, sometimes they have hooks on the edge. It's 6 feet. So you see I'm trying to go across it. What I'm trying to understand is if this goes across, how do I hide the noodle from being seen? If you notice right here, this is where it begins at, and it did have a hook on there. This, where I guess it could hook to a zip tie. But anyway, I guess it would start like right there. The lady that did it, she put the greenery on first. So she put the greenery on. So like I'm saying, when you put this in here, I can still see the black or whatever if it was white, the noodle. So I'm thinking once you do the one, you would really need 2 of these to go all the way down, because you can still see through. Because even when I start putting the flowers in, I don't know if that's going to cover. I don't know if that's going to cover the whole noodle. Just curious about that. I think another way would be able to just rope the greenery around, but I don't need the greenery on the bottom because this is the top. I don't need to go it under. How about we use what we got? So use this greenery, go across. Use this greenery and go across. And then start to put the flowers in and then come back. If I have to get some more greenery, then I can. Okay? All right, y'all. All right. We are back. We are back in full effect. Let me turn the TV down. So, I have continued on with the flowers. Move you back some. As you see, I'm still just going down the line and putting them in. Okay. Just going down the line and putting them in, y'all. See what I'm doing? I'm just poking them in. Oh, this one the plastic not off. So you just go down the line, like I said, and poke them in. And that's basically what I'm doing. I got some left over here. Some of them do fall off. All you do is put them back together and put them in. Just go down the line. Peonies. I like peonies now. And so I presume where you have the space at in between and you have greenery, it's better that you go back to the store and get more greenery to plug in these areas where it's like, you know. So basically that's what you would do. Pull that out. And I bought 6 bunches of these. Be careful when you're pulling them through to get them all down in there. I bought 6 bunches of these. So I really want to use the same ones or the same color theme. So that's why I wrote them down. So I can, even if I have to order them off online. I'm going to show you what I did so far. Okay, so you see me coming in with this is the one piece that I've done so far. See the whole thing. I'm going to take that camera, I'm going to sit it up so you can see the whole thing. This is about how long it is. And it's still kind of not all the way put together because I still have the stems coming out the bottom. But this is with 6 bunches and this looks very pretty. I like the way it looks. So if I can do it, I don't have no problem with doing it for, let me see how many tables I got, 8 or 9 tables. I like this. And you can make this fuller. So you can add more to it. And I think the first thing to add is some more greenery. And I will put the greenery coming up off the bottom down here so it could come up. And then you can add more flowers. But the same type of color combo. You know, that's how it looks. And then you come down. Come down, let me back up a little bit. So there's some space like right up in here. Put more greenery. But I'm proud of myself. I think I did a good job for a first timer because all you do now is add in. All right, y'all. We are back. And I finished the DIY centerpiece and I have 2 bouquets left, but I didn't add them in because I want you to see what I have already. I have 2 left and I started off with 6, so I used 4 on this. And like I said, going forward, I will add more greenery, but this is what I got so far and I think I did pretty good. And I know that if I can do this, I can do all the centerpieces for my table. So let me let you see what I got here. Okay, so here it is. This is the bottom part, and I'm gonna work my way up. It was fairly easy. Like I said, I don't have them cut. See, there's some whatchamacallit hanging out, the stems hanging out. I didn't cut them. I just bent them just to see how this all would work. And I think it came out very nice, as opposed to using this, you know, it came out very nice as opposed to like the DIY and the videos I've watched and all that. So on the back, I didn't cut, as you see, they're all sticking out. I didn't cut them yet because I just wanted to see if I could do it. And then you see there's spaces in here. And with the spaces, we are going to add more greenery because I think I have enough flowers, but I need to add more greenery. I think that's pretty nice the way they came out. And even if I go back and I can't find the exact flower, first I'm going to try to order them off the internet to get the exact. And then other than that, I'll go back and I'll have this color palette. So it may not be the same flower, but it may be the, you know, the same colors or whatever. But I think they came out good. I think I did a good job for a first try. And like I said, I'm going to add more greenery. So this took 2 noodles. This took 1 strand of greenery and 4 of the small bouquets of flowers. And I think that came out good. And I'll show you how it looks. This is how it looks standing up, but I'll show you how it looks laying down also. Please hold.